How is everyone doing? It's Nolan from RN Customs, and today we're going to be looking at the EcoWorthy 12/24 volt 20 amp battery charger. Here's how it comes out of the box. 2 different bags, and I will get those unraveled and bring you guys back. Here is the charger itself. It's got your 120 plug on that side, and then a quick connect on this side. Second cable is going to be your quick connect to your battery lugs, and then the other connection is going to be a quick connect to alligator clips, if that's what you would prefer. Just going to give you guys a little overview of the instruction manual, your table of contents, general information, obviously goes down features. Here's some of the specs. Hopefully that will focus for you guys. Sorry, took me a second. But just quite a few pages, and then starts going into the how to use. So I'll make sure that I'm going to follow these procedures, and then I will bring you guys back. Oh, that's a lot stronger than I thought it was. There we go. Okay, so step one is to plug it in. This is a Delta 3 Plus, and this is the main purpose that I wanted this for. Was I have 4 of these right here, the 12 volt 150 amp hour batteries, and when my Delta 3 Plus starts getting full, because this has 1,000 watts of input but only 1 kilowatt hour of storage, my plan is when this starts getting full for the day, I'll then start charging these to keep for overnight power. So per the instructions, I'm supposed to turn on your AC power, and then once that gets going, this will boot up. We're in the off state, and then they say you can toggle through the modes. Yep. AGM, standard, or whatever STD stands for. There's a DC mode, it looks like. And then back to off. So I'm going to put it to LFP, because this is an LFP battery. And then let me check the instructions for the next step. So in Life PO4 mode, it says to make your selection on the amperage. Let's see if I can get this to focus. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20. So I'm going to set it to 20 amps. And now I'm going to make my connection to the battery. Sorry if this angle is not ideal, but being a one-man show, it's really the best I can do. So take your 2 ends, and I'll give you a quick. I did the battery, the ring terminals. Now we're going to make the connection and see what happens. Okay, I see it's reading 12 volts. 13. We are outputting 310 watts from the Delta, according to its reading. And then let me pull up my app for, I believe this is battery 3 that I grabbed. Let's see. Turn my Bluetooth on. We're getting 20 amps. 266 watts, 267. And according to the Delta, we're outputting 306. So some of that's probably DC to AC, or AC to DC, whichever. I can never keep them straight, but some of it's going to be that. Some of it's going to be the fan. Got a fan blowing. Feel some air moving. And I'm going to let this charge up. If I feel anything getting crazy hot or anything weird, any gnarly smells, I'll bring you guys back and let you know. One thing I notice is when you're not using it and haven't touched it in a while, the screen does turn off. So I'm just going to click once. Yep, you can click once to wake it up. It's still set at 20 amps, so that's good. I was hoping it wouldn't make it jump right away the first click, so It's good to see. Okay, guys. I don't remember exactly what time I started charging, but we're still pushing about 19.89 amps, 268 watts. Just checked on the charger itself. No hotspots, which I love. I've got a 5 amp charger from them, and it didn't have a fan in it, I don't think. And it gets a little warm. It's never been, like, alarmingly warm, but it gets a little warm. This, I mean, I don't feel... Other than maybe at the exhaust, you have, like, I wouldn't even call it warm, though. It's just slightly warmer than the room, so that's awesome. I love that. No hot spots on the wires. They all feel good. You know, I'm not getting any crazy heat. Not even really any heat at all. So, I would say, if you guys are in the market, check out on eBay. They'll run sales every once in a while. I don't remember exactly what this would come to, but I'm going to drop their direct link in the description below and the eBay link if you guys want to check this out. So if you have any questions, let me know. This was Nolan. Please like and subscribe and stay along for the journey. See you, everybody.